Alright, now this healthcare reform is what's gotten all my issues today. Barack Obama's plan is going to put all the private insurance companies out of business. He said it himself. And we're going to be socialized medicine now. That's bad enough. But that just leads to everything. We're going to be a communist nation. I warned you about it, and if this bill passes, why, everything's just going to turn into communism in the next 50 years. I guarantee it. I fear for those who are going to have to live through it, like our children. They're going to pay taxes to live in a communist nation because we fell for hope and change. Now, it's the problem with this healthcare plan is it gives people free healthcare if they want it. If you can't pay for healthcare, then maybe you just don't deserve it. Come on now. There's Medicaid. You know, if you need help, if you're that poor, get some Medicaid. Qualify for it. If they say you don't qualify for it, try again, fight for it. That's about as government run as I want the healthcare industry, and that's the way we ought to keep it. Let those with the private insurance companies, and let's say it's all these illegal immigrants without it, maybe shouldn't even be in our country then. Get out! We're not going to make a public option and have all our private insurance companies go out of business so the whole thing can be socialized so you illegals can get it. It doesn't make any sense. I don't want to change my way of life for someone who got here illegally. It's scary, alright? These corporations that run the healthcare industry have run it fine. Now, all we need to do, okay, is reform slightly and make it a little less expensive. Alright? People complain about pre-existing conditions. Well, yeah, they're trying to make money. Of course they're going to deny you. You would too. My goodness, people. Come on now. Of course. Alright, it's not greed, it's business. That's the way it is. That's the way we ought to keep it. That's the way our country's doing fine. Just watch out, folks. It's going to be a communist nation. Oh, what about the death panels? Alright? I don't think someone who was a governor is going to lie about it. And now you have Newt Gingrich, and I mean, those are two officials. These aren't random people, all right? We really need to consider watching out for these death panels for our old people. All right, they're gonna develop. It's gonna be a communist nation. How many times do I have to say it? My goodness, people, just watch out. Just watch out.